we see how God is always faithful to His plans. What happens to us is we can be confronted with a situation like that of the people of Israel. Remember, so many thousands of people are going out into the wilderness. It is something very impossible. How will they get anything to eat? We know that this is almost next to impossible. But God, He knows everything. Now they're confronted with this situation, not only the desert and no water, no food, no shops, no nothing. Now the Pharaoh says, "Arey, we've made a mistake by sending them. Let's go after them and get them back. What are we going to do?" So they run after them. And when the Israelites see Pharaoh and his men and his chariots coming, they don't know what to do, because now in front of them is the sea and at the back is Pharaoh. So in such moments, they are led to say things which can be very, very bad. Like they keep cursing. "Why have you brought us to this place? It was better to be there and to be slaves than to come here." This type of things. When they were also praying that they come out of slavery, now they're saying, "Go back." So this kind of talk can take place when we are confronted with challenges. But remember, God is always there to make the way. When it is almost impossible, you can't see it, but it is faith that will help you to see the way that God will lead you and take you. So when they come to the sea, God tells Moses, "Part this with your hands raised up." And he does that, and they can walk through the sea across.